Welcome back to Beautyistic Beauties. Imagine a highlighter that doesn't just sit on your skin but seems to glow from within. Today, we're looking at Stila's Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator in the shade Bronze Beauty. It's a gel-based, sheer highlighter designed to give a dewy, luminous finish, perfect for adding that sun-kissed radiance without looking glittery or overdone. Right out of the tube, the texture feels incredibly light and hydrating. This isn't your typical powder highlighter that can settle into fine lines. It's a gel, so it blends effortlessly and feels almost like skincare on the skin. The formula includes hydrating ingredients that give the cheeks and high points of your face a wet, glossy sheen while still staying buildable. Bronze Beauty offers a warm, bronzy glow that works beautifully on medium to deep skin tones, and it can also be layered over foundation or mixed into your moisturizer for a subtle, all-over glow. In real-world use, I found it incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. A tiny dab with a finger or a synthetic brush warms the product just enough to blend seamlessly. I tested it during both daytime and evening looks, and it held up nicely under natural and artificial lighting, giving a soft, reflective radiance without feeling sticky. One small note, because it's a gel, it takes a second to set, so if you're layering powder products on top, just allow a minute or two for it to settle. What I really love is how versatile this highlighter is. It can be applied subtly for a natural glow or built up for a more intense, almost wet look finish. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, with a squeezable tube that allows for precise control, no messy dips or contamination. On the flip side, the gel texture might feel a bit too hydrating for those with very oily skin, as it could enhance shine in areas you might not want it. Considering value, the Stila Hydro-luminator sits in the mid to premium range, but the quality and formulation justify the price. The product feels luxurious, lasts through a typical day with touch-ups, and the shade is flattering across a range of skin tones. Compared to similar liquid or cream highlighters, Stila's gel formula is unique in its hydrating finish, making it a standout for those looking to combine glow with skincare benefits. If you're on a budget but still want a beautiful glow, there are other gel or liquid highlighters from brands like ELF and NYX that offer similar radiance, though they may not have the same silky texture or the precise glow that Stila nails. Overall, Stila Heavens Hue Hydro-luminator in Bronze Beauty is a gem for anyone wanting a luminous, dewy highlight without feeling heavy or sticky. It excels in blendability, glow intensity, and that natural, radiant finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. If you've tried this highlighter, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love seeing how you all glow. The link to purchase is in the description box. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.